Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing very well. I'm back with a very interesting video. Actually, it's a very simple video. I've done a lot of nude lip color recommendation videos already, and you guys still love it and always ask me for some more nude lip colors. Similarly, the only nail paints that I ever use are nude nail paints. I don't like to put a lot of bright colors, and I still don't go out and get my gel nails done, which literally is a fad, like everyone's doing it. I do not have the energy to firstly do that to my nails, because I feel like I like to keep things natural, and I don't feel like spending a bomb and going and getting my nails done, putting gel and then having them removed. I feel the quality of your nails really gets affected. I am okay to leave my nails natural and not put anything than always waiting it out, heading to the mall, heading to the nearest nail salon. I'm too lazy for it. I don't feel the need to head to a salon to get my nails done specifically. So I'm a very simple person that way, that I prefer putting my own nail paint, or I have the parlor lady come and change my nail paint. I love nude nail paints. I just feel like they suit me better. I've literally given away all the bright colored nail paints. The way I gave away all my bright colored lipsticks, I think I gave away all my bright colored nail paints as well, because it just wasn't me. I just prefer subtle nude tones too much. You can always wear a bright outfit in that way, but I feel like on your skin, on your nails, I feel the subtle the better. That's me. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my favorite nude nail paints. Some of them I've repurchased over time. I buy really the simplest, the most affordable brands out there, and I pick out the most simplest nude shade from it and I buy it for myself. I haven't put any nail paint today because there are 8 nail paints that I want to try and show you guys. So I'll put them on one finger each and show you guys my favorite nail paints and the actual shade of it, so that it helps you guys in making a decision quickly and placing that order on Nykaa. Most of these are available on Nykaa, so you can easily order from there. I'm going to start off with the one that I have used the most, and I've been using this particular shade and this particular nail paint for the past 5 years at least, and it's so inexpensive. It's it's for 90 bucks. The brown basic nude color that I want, I only get with this nail paint. This is the Maybelline Color Show. It's a very common nail paint bottle. You must have seen. I actually have 2 of these right now here with me. This is the Maybelline New York Color Show nail paint. It's for 110 rupees, guys. The nail paint shade is Nude Skin. This is Nude Skin 015. This is the nail paint that I have finished like at least 50 bottles of, and literally my parlor lady used to tell me, please try something else, and I used to say, I try so many things, but I don't think anything suits me more than this particular nail paint. So it's a very beautiful color, guys. It's, as you can see from the bottle, it's like a brownish nude. It's a dull chocolate brown nude color. This is the color, as you can see. So let me just quickly try it out on probably one of my fingers. The good part about the Maybelline Color Show nail paints is that it doesn't dry out, which is amazing. I tried a lot of Nykaa nail paints, guys. A, the shades don't ever suit me, and B, they dry out, or weird watery stuff comes out of them and separates from the nail paint if you don't move it too much. So this is the first one. Look at the shade. It is so beautiful, guys. I love this nail paint. I think it really suits my skin tone. Especially, I anyway feel my hands are not the same as my face. My face, they're much darker compared to my face. I can't wear a white nail paint. My hands will look too dark. I can't wear a really light nail paint shade. It doesn't suit my hand. So guys, this is the first one. As you can see, it is a really beautiful shade. It's like the perfect nude. I think Velvet Teddy is the perfect nude lipstick. I feel the Maybelline Nude Skin is the most affordable and the most perfect nude nail paint out there. It's really nice. It's really long lasting. I think this must be a 2-year-old bottle, and it's still really smooth, and obviously you need to put at least 2 layers on it for it to stay a little longer, and if you put a top coat, of course it will stay a little longer, but it doesn't chip very quickly, it doesn't dry out very quickly. Such a beautiful color. So this is the first nude nail paint, one of my most favorites. Highly recommend. Just go for it, don't even think about it. I'll move on to the second most used nail paint of my life, which is L'Oreal. Actually, it's fairly expensive from the others that I've ever used. This is the L'Oreal Mauvelicious. This is Movelicious 320, and this is the bottle. Again, I have, yeah, I think I have 2-3 of them every time. Once I finally find a shade of my choice, I literally pick up and backups of it, because I really am very specific about the nail paints that suit me. So I end up buying more of them and stocking them up. So this, I think, is a little expensive compared to the Maybelline Color Show. This is priced at about $350. It's L'Oreal's a little premium range of nail paints. It's a little mauvish nude color, but it's so beautiful, guys. Firstly, it's a big size bottle, so obviously it's gonna last you a long time, and it's a really beautiful shade. This is how the color looks like, and a lot of them are overlapping in terms of the shade. Let me try this out and show you guys. So this is the shade. Well, this was a little brownish. As you can see, this is a very beautiful blushed nude kind of color. It looks really pretty. I think it really suits my hand. For 300 rupees, it's a great price. So these two are literally my two favorites, like Meher or something, you know, it's like that kind of a shade. Got a really nice shine to it. I highly recommend this nail paint for sure if you're looking for a nice blushed nude color. I'll move on to the next one, and actually my current favorite. I had never tried K-Beauty products. Their nail paints, they look really nice and premium and pretty and very basic. There's so much variety in their nude nail paints, but like at least I think 10 shades of nude nail paints, which is just amazing. This is the Nail Nourish K-Beauty range of nail paints. I think these are priced at about 200. I'm not sure, guys. I'll link it down below. The shade is called Rocky Road 23. It's a very nice brownish nude nail paint. I love the K-Beauty range. It has amazing options. I actually have two of these, which look fairly similar, you would actually think, but this is a little pinkish and this is a little brownish, and I love both of them. This is the Rocky Road, which is 23, Rocky Road 23, and this is Bittersweet 22. Both of these are amazing. If you're looking for nice nude nail paints, K-Beauty has amazing options. Let me try out the Rocky Road one and show you guys. Peachy brownie nude shade. Okay, check this out, guys. So, well, this is the Nude Skin from Maybelline. This is the L'Oreal Movelicious. This is the K-Beauty Rocky Road. It's a very nice peachy nude color, very subtle, very pretty. I love it so much. They're very watery and very lightweight, these nail paints. They're not very thick consistency, and they haven't dried out at all. I've been using them for months now, which is why I ordered another shade. Really pretty, and it looked brownish. It always looks darker in the bottle and when you put it, but this is a single coat. If I double it up, it obviously will have a little more deeper shade. Must try the K-Beauty range. Both of these shades are amazing. This is a little pinkish. I actually am not able to open this bottle right now while I'm shooting it. Stuck somewhere. Both of them look beautiful in the hand, so highly recommend the K-Beauty range, Bittersweet and Rocky Road. I'm going to move on to the next one. Is a Lakme 9 to 5. This is a primer plus gloss nail color. This is the one. It's in the shade Simply Nude. I got this recently. This is for 180. Very good price. Let me try it out and show you guys. Again, it's a very nice brownish nude color. Wow, this is such a beautiful shade, guys. I love this. It's very similar to this L'Oreal one, but this is a little deeper. This is, I think, the perfect nude. This is going to become my new favorite. Check this out, guys. It's such a beautiful color. I love it. These are all such beautiful shades. Actually, I'm trying them out after so long. I was giving my nails some break. 180 bucks is such a good price. Lakme 9 to 5, Simply Nude. Very pretty. I think it's really suiting my hand very well. It's such a perfect, again, brownish, pinkish, blush nude color. Very beautiful. I'll move on to something that is a little more rusty, especially on days when I want to wear Indian wear and I want a little brightness in my life. I move on to shades like these, which are a little deeper, a little more rusty and yet like pretty. It's a little pinkish, deep pink color, I would say. Let me try it out and show you guys. Wow, it's such a beautiful color. It's from the Masaba collection, the Masaba Nykaa collaboration. This is from that range. This is the Masaba by Nykaa Nail Enamel. It's in the shade Roar 275. I'll link it down below. 275. This is how it looks. such a beautiful rusty pinkish shade, such a deep shade, yet it's suiting me so well. It's looking so pretty. So this is the next one. I really like it. I always love all the Masaba collaborations because I genuinely feel that she ensures that she comes up with products that really any people can use. Like she tries them out and she's sure of it that people will like it, because her range of lipsticks in collaboration with Nykaa were also very nice, and now this nail paint collection also I feel is so beautiful. I think this is priced at about 250. I'm not sure about the price, guys. I'll link it down below, but this is the gorgeous shade that I just tried on. Look at the color, it's so pretty. And especially if you're looking to brighten up your hands a little, I think this is a very nice shade to have. There goes my 5 fingers in the most beautiful nude nail paint colors. I love each one of them. Can you see a monotone and how they all actually belong to the same family? Guys, they're all under 300 rupees. I think the most expensive one has been the Mauvilicious by L'Oreal. Otherwise everything else is around 200, 250, 180. That's the range of these nail paints. This is 100 bucks, guys. So all of these are really beautiful and worth trying out if you're looking for a nude tone nail paint. I'll move on to the last shade, which is by Nykaa again. This is the Nykaa Gel Shine. Although I feel it's a little light on me, but it can suit a lot of you girls if you're looking for a nice light peachy nude color. Let me try it out and show you. This is how this shade looks like, and you see it's not like a very peachy shade, but it's really beautiful. Check this out. While these are the other colors, this is very similar to this tone though, however it's much lighter. If you're looking for a light tone nail paint in a nude peachy subtle shade, then I would really recommend this shade. The Gel Shine range of Nykaa is actually really nice. It's a little premium. Yeah, this is for 325 rupees, but it definitely lasts much longer than the other nail paints, so that's why I think it's a little more expensive. Though I always feel that peach and all don't suit me much. Like I would always prefer going for something a little more deeper. However, I think this is not looking bad at all. So this is the last shade. I've shown you guys 6 nail paints which are my recommendations of the best nude nail paints out there. If I had to choose my top pick from all of this, I feel this one, Lakme 95 Simply Nude, definitely is a very beautiful nude color. The K Beauty ones, guys, the one that I couldn't open, the Bittersweet one and the Rocky Road. So the Bittersweet is a little pinkish and this is a little peachy. Both of these are beautiful. Make sure you buy one of these for sure. They're really nice. They will suit anybody. I actually like the quality of K Beauty products a lot. I think they're really nice. They're really basic yet like good quality basic colors. Very classy and very simple. The colors are just apt for anyone who likes natural nude nails. These are just perfect. That brings me to the end of this video, guys. My recommendations for the top nude nail paints out there. I really hope you like this video. This was really requested by a lot of you girls because I think searching becomes a task, and online you definitely are not able to find the actual swatch or the shade, especially for these small things. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any other video requests. I'll be happy to do it. I really like to do videos which are requested to me because that's the whole purpose of this channel. I really want to make sure that my content helps you guys make informed decisions and it makes your life easier in terms of searching and browsing the web. Do let me know if you try any of these out. Please comment down below, and please let me know if you have any other video requests. I'll be very happy to do them. I hope you all are safe and taking care. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.